Far beyond the tallest mountains, in a shimmering green valley, there lived a young dragon named Pip. Pip wasn't like other dragons. While most dragons love to breathe fire or collect shiny jewels, Pip loved to explore, ask questions, and discover magical mysteries. One sunny morning, Pip woke up feeling extra adventurous. He stretched his wings, polished his tiny scales, and decided to visit the old willow woods. Legend said that something peculiar happened there every 100 years, but nobody explained what it was. With a bright sparkle in his eyes, Pip swooped over the river, dipped beneath clouds, and landed softly near the oldest willow tree, whose branches danced like ribbons. Suddenly, Pip noticed a golden shimmer flickering between the roots. Curious, Pip tiptoed closer and, with his claw, gently uncovered a little glowing ball. "Hello," Pip whispered. The ball wobbled and floated up, revealing itself as Lumi, the lost light sprite. Lumi had the roundest cheeks and wings that twinkled like stars. "Thank you for finding me. I've been stuck under that old tree for a whole year," said Lumi. Pip smiled and offered to help Lumi find her way home. The sprite giggled and led Pip into the heart of Willow Woods, where huge mushrooms stood like umbrellas and mysterious shadows danced around them. But all was not easy. The woods were enchanted with tricks. One moment, Lumi's glow would sparkle brightly, but then the light faded, leaving Pip and Lumi in a hazy darkness. "Stay close," Lumi whispered, worried about getting lost again. Suddenly, a mischievous squirrel named Scamp bounced onto a log, grinning. "Looking for the way out? You must answer my riddle," he squeaked. Pip thought hard. The riddle was, "I shine in the sky at night, but I'm not the moon. I melt away in the morning, what am I?" Pip's heart raced. He remembered the stories his grandma told about stars. "Is it a star?" Pip guessed. The squirrel clapped, and the path ahead glittered with tiny lights. Lumi's wings began to shine again, guiding them out of the shadowy woods. As they reached the edge of the valley, Lumi hugged Pip. "Thank you, Pip. You're the bravest dragon, and now I can spread my light across the valley again." Pip watched as Lumi zipped high above, scattering beams of gold that made the valley glow brighter than ever before. From that day on, Pip was known as the dragon who found the lost light, and every night, the stars twinkled a little brighter just for him.